Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This is another Christmas journal, and I used ARTYmaze's new kit, which is called Christmas Vintage Days. The same kit as I used in the Flip Flat Folio yesterday. So this is a traveller's notebook. It measures 8 by 4 3/4, one signature, 56 pages front and back. It will be for sale in my shop if you're interested. We have a tag here, just stamped, coffee dyed and stamped, and it says this book belongs to. And that goes in there. We've got some background paper here. This is one of the journal cards from the kit, and then I put on this which says 'tis the season, and also special delivery with some cheesecloth. We've got some bells here, jingle bells. It's all been stitched. We have eyelets and string as a closure. So let me make sure I'm in frame. I have to move this up just a tad. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is one of the pages from the kit. It is a full-size journal kit, so I just obviously trimmed bits off to suit the size of a traveller's notebook, and that's that page. Here we have one of the background papers, and I made a corner tuck. This is one of the full stamps from the kit, and inside there, this is not from the kit, it's just something that I bought years ago on Etsy, and I couldn't tell you where I got it from. Christmas music paper. That's what it is, Christmas music paper. Tag from the kit, and a postcard here from the Christmas Stackables, which is from ARTYmaze. Here we have some more of that Christmas music paper, and a tag here from the Stackables, and I just popped on Christmas cheer. It's a double layered tag, crocheted trim. This is from Bohemian Crafting, and here we have a flip out window envelope, which obviously I've used one of the like the collage pages from the kit, and this is, I'm not sure if this is one of the tags from the kit or it's one of the pages that I've used to make some tags, and we've got the music paper going on in the background, and that's all been stitched around there. Here you could just clip on something or add a photograph, and we have side tuck there, and some more. Oh, this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. She has this on her Facebook page, which is ARTYmaze and Friends, so I just thought I would add that because you could make some tags out of that or something. Tag from the new kit, and this is from the Stackables, and that flips back there. I love the noise of the window envelope. Crocheted trim. Here we have a corner tuck, but we have some more of that Christmas music paper, which has just been coffee dyed. Fingers don't want to work today. We have a tag from the kit, and that is from the kit. It's got Silent Night on there, and this is just a double journal card from the kit, and I'm going to put that in there like that and pop that there. Here I made, it's opened here, but it's an expandable pocket, and this has just been heat embossed, and inside there we just have a little double journal card. We got a little mini tag. This was the bottom of an envelope that I chopped off, like a window envelope, and inside there we've just got some bits that I had hanging around. That's from Bohemian Crafting, I believe. So that goes inside there, and there's just paper from the kit and one of the journaling cards from the kit, and in here we have another double journaling card, so you can store things inside there. And then that just closes easily, just like that. Another page from the kit, just a simple tab, some more of that music paper, and a journal card there from the kit. And when you print that out, you've got the card, and then this is directly next to it, so you just fold it in half and glue it back to back. Just a little piece there from the kit. Bohemian Crafting, a double journal card, a double pocket here. This journal card is from the kit as well. We have a tag here from the Stackables, just with some crocheted trim. That was just some leftovers, so I just made a tag, and that is a tag from the kit, a genuine tag from the kit. Here we have a envelope just with some coffee dyed paper in there, or tea dyed, one of the two, and that's just paper clipped on. Some crocheted trim. Center of the signature, I've done a little booklet, like full envelope thing. So excuse me, that's been heat embossed. That opens up, and we have all these little pages that you can write inside there, and then you just close it like that, and that's the middle. And as you can see there, that's where the bells are. Okay. Tab, another one of these flip outs, the window envelope. Tag from one of the pages, I think it is, music paper backed inside there. And you could add a photo there. We have, this is another piece, this is a different freebie from ARTYmaze, and I just made excuse me, a double like tag thing, put in there, and another tag from the kit. This is from the Stackables. Everything's been backed, so that's that. We have a corner tuck there, which is from the kit, and a tag from the kit. That is the kit. I haven't printed, there's actually a full sheet of like, just, you know, like that piece there. There's a full sheet of that. I haven't printed that out yet. Kind of looks a bit crazy wacky. No, I love it. It's puts me in mind of like the marble effect, but it's really nice. Double journal card there. And here we have a little flip. We have a postcard from the kit, and this is another Christmas music paper. I used the ruler to do some tearing. It's not a tear ruler, it's just my Tim Holtz ruler, and I just tear it to give a little bit of a rougher edge. So that's that, and that's paper clipped on. Another December 25, a Merry Christmas. Here we've just got a pocket and an envelope. Yep, might be glued in. Famous for that. Do you know what? It's like a teeny bit of glue. You know, any other time, like you put on loads of glue and something won't stick, but you just ooze out a teeny weensy bit, and it takes the whole thing. It eats it. Okay, enough of that. So that's the envelope. Here I made a double pocket from one of the whole pages, which I just kind of folded a little bit, then folded it in, and just created like a double pocket there. Put one of the full stamps on there, so that's opened at the back as well, so you can tuck things in there. And I put these two, they're like mummy and baby, but they're still, you know, the same postcard, but one's bigger than the other. Little and large. So that's that. Corner tuck with a tag from the kit, and this is from the Stackables, and we've just got a full stamp on there. A little tab that I made, crocheted trim. Another double tag there, that is from the Stackables. That's more of the Christmas music paper. That's just a It's been folded over and glued at the top and the bottom. Some more Christmas paper. I suppose if you went onto Etsy, you could put in digital Christmas music paper and something may come up. Like I said, I don't know who that's from, many years ago, and there's obviously, you know, hopefully they've still got the shop and they've still got it. So that is the journal. I will, this isn't timed properly, typical, isn't it? I will link the new kit below. This doesn't want to tie. Anyway, I'll do it in a minute. I'll link the new kit below. This will be in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.